Okay, here we got a red-winged blackbird and a yellow-headed blackbird in the same shot. And this one just ran off another yellow-headed one. They're fairly territorial, you know, when it's baby making time. Kind of warning everyone off. So if you're watching this and you're thinking of building a nest there, you probably shouldn't. And he is yelping at, if I can find him, this guy. I think he thinks this one's a little close. Get back over this way again. Little bit of territorial drama. Oh, he just chased it off too, and they're both out of my frame.